Right, just a quick experiment. Just going to interested to see what sort of heat we get out of this. So I've just got ordinary cold water pipe going in one end, and I've blocked off. I've run the water through, so it's all full of water. I've just capped off the other end. Just curious, if I leave it for half an hour, what sort of temperature we'll have out of it. So I'll make a comparison between what's coming out of the water and how hot that gets. So we'll give it about half an hour and then we'll give it a... Right, so I'm just running this thermometer underneath the tap here. I'm going to get a temperature of just the running water that comes in through the mains, and we'll compare it with what comes through the solar panel in a second. So we'll have a look at that. So it is extremely basic, but it will give a true reading to what's what in it, so it will show how much it's warmed it up by. So we're at button, I'll just leave it a bit longer, just let it, right, I'll say that's about 16 degrees. That's the water coming in through the mains. So let's go test out how it is on the... So right, we'll try out the... see what temperature is coming through this. So basically I've just set it under pressure, so I'll release this stop end and we'll see what sort of temperature is coming from this. That feels a little bit warm, just that little bit there, so that'll be interesting. I better stand clear just in case there's a bit of pressure there. Good gosh.
Here we are.
Right. Oh my god, that's boiling. That's shot. Oh my god. In fact, the thermometer only goes up to 50 degrees. It's already reached 50 degrees. So it's well above 50 degrees. I can't even touch that. That's how hot it is. So I think that's been a success. That is very, very hot. Right, I've had this running for quite a while now. I'll have just that amount of water in there. I'm going to see if we can pick up the temperature on here. It's a very warm day, so... Oh, will that focus? I don't know. Oh, there we go. About 25 degrees. I don't know, can you see that? I hope you can. There it is. So we're going to just put it under here. Need a... Let's grab that there, see if we can... And we'll keep an eye on that. Oh, I don't know if you're going to see that at all. There you go. It's... let's see if I can focus on the... Sorry, I don't think this is going to come out that well, but we shot up to about 48. And that's just running off the cold water at the moment. So that pipe just there is very hot to touch. And here where it's coming in, it's freezing, and you can even see a little bit of condensation building up in the inside there. So by the time it's run all the way through there, we're getting hot water out there, which I didn't expect, to be honest. I thought we'd have to circulate it a lot more than that. So that's actually too hot for me to touch. Whoops. let's put that. So when I first initially did it, it just shot right up to the top of the thermometer, but we're about 50 degrees now. So our first test, very, very happy with that. Excellent.